So we know the incident of Ronaldo. So in this conference, he not doing promoting any Coca-Cola instead of water. But what if Ronaldo is doing thumbs up ads? So in this video, we are creating using AI a ad of thumbs up with Ronaldo. Let's start. For this video, we are using a tool called GrowTake AI. In this tool, you not just create the ads. Here you can launch your ads on Meta and Google. And the best part, you don't need to hire any agency or marketer. This GrowTech AI will optimize and manage your ads. So here is a monthly deal of just rupees $27 per month. Here you can get access of trial for just sign up, and then if you sign, you can see this clean dashboard. Here you can see all of the platform according to your preference. And for now we create the ad. There is a tab called Creative Hub, and here you can see in this creative assets multiple image creation option. But for now we are using product shot generator, so just click on that, and here we just upload a reference image. So for now I upload a reference image of this product. Here you can choose your own products, or I choose another second one for just reference. So he's just Shahrukh Khan of Indian famous actor. So now we just type what we need to do. So for now I'm just type this thumbs up, and second is a reference. So I'm just give a basic prompt where I just explain what the first image, what the second image, and what I want. Okay, I share which I for just for that I'm just test this. We select this format and just hit generate. So now let me see what output is. Now it's loading. Holy shit! Now here you can see he is doing the thumbs up ads, and here you can see the format and everything. And if I here I'm just same prompt, and just I want to add some text. So ach ch kuch ho jaye. So I'm just test it out for more result and more realistic. Let me see how it's going to generate. Shahrukh Khan, Aaj Kuch Tufani Ho Jaye. You need more and more accurate prompt. Okay. So here, if you type realistic Ronaldo, same, and just we just give a prompt like he is on his foot with Messi, and also they promoting thumbs up. Just let me see how the GrowTake AI will generate. And here is appear this, and you can see the great ad of thumbs up, and you can see the realism. Now you can see that I will be giving you the prompt. You just sign up for the free trial for GrowTech AI, and you can try with your own. And if you not just creating ads, if you want to run ads or manage and optimize ads, so you can use GrowTech AI. So for this, I hope this video will helpful for you. And if you think you need more suggestions or you need demo, you can comment us, or otherwise I give all of the resources link on my description and comment. Thank you. Bye.